Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the world of tools, gadgets, and gear to give you the real story behind the product. Today, we're reviewing a game-changing piece of gear that might just be the only tool you need on your next outdoor trip or emergency situation. Say hello to the best multi-tool pliers screwdriver pocket knife, the Pohaku 14-in-1 multi-tool hammer. At first glance, it looks compact and sleek in black metal, but don't let the size fool you. This little beast is a powerhouse packed with 14 essential tools. Whether you're hiking in the wild, fixing up things at home, or preparing your emergency car kit, this multi-tool is designed to be your all-in-one solution. And here's what makes it stand out. The body is made of rust-proof 3-county Route 13 stainless steel. It's built to take a beating, whether you're using it in a damp forest or under the hot sun. This multi-tool won't wear out easily. The hammerhead is solid and reliable, great for driving intense stakes or even breaking a car window in emergencies. And yes, it comes with a tough window breaker tip and a built-in safety belt cutter, making it a legit survival tool. Let's talk versatility. You're not just getting a hammer. You get pliers, a can opener, awls, wire cutters, and a set of 4 replacement screwdriver bits cleverly integrated into the tool. Everything folds out smoothly, and when you're using one tool, the others stay firmly in place thanks to a built-in liner lock system. This isn't just a safety feature, it's peace of mind. You don't want a blade folding on your fingers mid-use. And when you're done, the included nylon sheath makes it easy to carry on your belt or stash in your backpack. It's light, just 0.33 kilograms, and doesn't feel bulky or heavy. But there's a thoughtful touch here too. The Pohaku multi-tool comes with DIY gift stickers. If you're gifting this to your dad, boyfriend, husband, or a friend, you get 4 different themed stickers to personalize it. It's not just practical, it's personal. A small gesture that can turn a cool tool into a memorable gift. Let's also not forget the packaging and presentation. This tool arrives well packaged, and the entire unboxing experience feels premium. Pohaku clearly wants this to be more than just another tool you throw into a drawer. It's meant to be displayed, gifted, and used proudly. Now here's something that adds confidence: a 30-day refund policy and responsive customer support. If anything goes wrong, you're not left in the dark. It's for the adventurer, the weekend DIYer, the camper, the hiker, or someone who just wants to be ready for anything. Whether it's fixing a loose screw, opening a bottle, or breaking a window to save a life, this multi-tool delivers. The Pohaku 14-in-1 multi-tool hammer lives up to its promise. It's rugged, compact, versatile, and gift-worthy, and that's why we call it the best multi-tool pliers screwdriver pocket knife on the market right now. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives and honest reviews. This is Product Critique. See you in the next video.